morning and welcome to this week's project. Out in the shed today. It's absolutely freezing here, but we've got the heater on, so that'll be the noise that you're hearing in the background. Today's project, I'm going to be for the first time making up the new Taylor Mirfield's Athena kit. It's a brand new kit that's just come out. It's a click pen kit, not a style that I've done before. So I'm going to be making this one up today. I've got a pre-made blank that I did already. I'd actually, if you follow me on Instagram, you may well have seen this blank come up on there. And this is the blank, and this was done in the solid mould. Now inside this, I've been doing a bit of testing for colours, and I don't want to say what that's about because that's for a future project. But didn't break. Good old epoxy. But yeah, so I've been doing a bit of testing out, and this is the blank. Now it looks quite unremarkable from here, but actually inside this should be a lot of these different colours. It was just a range of blues I did. Some of them are glow in the dark. I think there might be even fluorescent colours in there. Just as I say, it was just a style that I was going for that particular project. So I'm going to cut this up. I'm probably going to cut it up from around about the middle of the blank here and get that, because it's quite a long tube that's in this one anyway, if you can see that. It's quite a decent sized tube. So I have no idea how this has come out on the inside, but it needs to be turned in order for me to see. So so yeah, today that's what I'm going to be making up. I'm going to go away, get the hole drilled, and I'm actually going to paint the inside of the tube, which is quite difficult when you've got such a range of colours in there, but I'll just go for just a uniform blue and paint the inside of the tube area before I glue it in. And then we'll get to the lathe and we will go through and we'll put it together on camera, this one, seeing as it's a brand new one. So anyway, I really hope you do enjoy. It's the between centres bushes that I actually have for this, but I don't have the right bits for the between centres, so they can also be done just on the mandrel. So that will be how I'll be turning it. That will be in a bit of a time lapse, and then I'll come back at the end and we'll put the kit together. So anyway, I really hope you enjoy this project. I thought I'd say something at the beginning of it because the last couple of videos has not been any talking at all, so I thought I'd do a bit of talking. So anyway, hope you enjoy.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a
Hi and welcome back. That's the blank complete. I was actually really pleased with it. I'll get some close-up pictures, probably better pictures when I do the photos. But this was quite a blind blank that I was doing because I just poured everything into the middle and then I just hope it dispersed. And it did. Probably in the order that I put it in as well, although I put the black in centre was the last colour, and that's dispersed very differently. But yeah, really pleased with it. I'm really delighted with the pen. So now we're going to put it together, because obviously this is the new Athena kit. The Taylor Mirfields, really always good quality. I love their kits. Now the bushings on this are equal each side, so there shouldn't be any variation between one and the other on this, so let's hope. So I'm going to put in the clickable bit at the top, and I'm going to try and line up where I want the clip to go, which is down the back, because I want this bit to be at the front. So just going to sit that into the top there. Oh. Okay, that's that clicked in perfect. The second bit I'm going to click in is this bit. I could have done these in different orders. I could have done this bit first, but nearly lost it. Let me just move that back a little bit. Okie dokie. Then just pop this bit in, screw on the end, right, hold on, I can't have that lined up properly. Yeah, that's it. Let's reline that up. That's it. I didn't have it lined up properly, so you'll know if that bit happens to you as well. But it clicks in beautiful, and it's got a really firm end on it, which I like. So that's it. Now this pen was for a theme of pens which is coming up, and I'm no doubt that you'll see it. It's for the Shadow Men, I think they're called. It's Game of Thrones. Obviously I'm not a Game of Thrones watcher, but somebody spoke to me about maybe doing a pen, so what I was trying to get with this, I actually do quite like it just as it is. So that's the front, and then that's the back. I think they're called White Walkers. So I will need to check on that, and I'll put it in the title, the actual name of it. That's the theme that I was going for with this. And like I say, for a mix in a pen, it's always very difficult trying to do the themes and get the look. I was basically going for the look of the eye with this, which, you know, got to have a bit of an imagination, I suppose. But I shall get some pictures of it. Really pleased. The Athena pen, which is a new one from Taylor Murfield. So I'll put the links down below to all of his stuff. This is just his latest click pen, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Beautiful quality pen, and this is on a tester of a blank that I was doing for the next theme. So I hope you enjoyed, and thank you very much for watching.